Welcome to ARU and to your first in a series of videos that have been designed to help you get ready for your course. In this video, we will cover logging in for the first time, including changing your password and registering your security information for Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. We will talk you through the screens you will see when initially logging in, and also provide information on what Multi-Factor Authentication is and why and how we use this at ARU. Before you start, we have a first login checklist that will help ensure you have what you need to hand for logging in. We recommend you complete your first login setup on a PC or laptop. You will find this makes setting up security information much easier. Before you get started, it's also a good idea to locate your ARU user account email, which contains your username and password. You will need these credentials to log in. You would have received this to your personal email address around the same time as you received your joining information. We also recommend having your mobile device handy. You will need this when setting up your security information. Finally, before you get started, you can download the Microsoft Authenticator app to your mobile device. Just go to your app or Play Store and search Microsoft Authenticator app. You won't need to do any further setup on this app for now. The first thing you'll be asked to do is to change your password. Let's take a look at what you will see on screen in more detail. Enter in your ARU username as it is detailed on your ARU user account email. Usernames are in the format of a mixture of your initials and numbers, followed by @student.aru.ac.uk. Click Next. You will then see our ARU login page. Enter your temporary password as detailed on your ARU user account email into the password box. Click Sign In. You will then be prompted to change your password to something more memorable. Re-enter your temporary password into the old password box. Then type a new password into the new password box, making sure that your password isn't something anyone can easily guess. Your new password should be at least 10 characters long and contain a mixture of upper and lowercase letters, at least one number and one special character. Here are some of the characters you can select. Confirm your new password by typing it in again into the Confirm box. When finished, click Submit. You will then be asked to log in again, this time entering your new password and clicking Sign In. You have now changed your password and will move on to the next screen. The next few screens will ask you to register for Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. Let's take a look at what MFA is in more detail. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, is a security system that protects our university from cybercriminals. MFA, sometimes referred to as Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, has been applied to most of our university systems. We also use multi-factor authentication as a way of allowing you to recover and reset your password should you ever forget it, so it is important that you have set this up when prompted. How does MFA work? When logging into one of our systems and after entering your username and password, MFA works by asking you to provide additional verification that it is you and only you logging into your account. This verification can take place either by approving a notification using the Microsoft Authenticator app, or via a text message or phone call. Once this has been approved, you will be logged on to your required system. Our recommendation is to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app for approving sign-in requests. We will now demonstrate how to set up the app, and we would also encourage you to log a secondary authentication method such as telephone number should your app not be available. You will need to ensure that you set up MFA on a device that you will regularly have with you, as you will need to use this device to approve sign-in notifications. You will need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app, as this is the app you will use to approve notifications. If you have not yet done so, simply go to your app or Play Store and search Microsoft Authenticator app and download this to your device. Let's look at the screens you will now see in more detail. You will be prompted to provide more information. Click Next to get started. You will be prompted to download the Microsoft Authenticator app to your mobile device. Grab your mobile device, open the app on your device, and click Next. If this is your first time using the app, enable all notifications and tap Sign in with Microsoft. Tap Add an account and then tap Work or School account. If you have used this app before, tap the plus button located in the right-hand corner of the app to add a new account. If you're using an Android device, tap the ellipsis. Back on your PC or laptop, click Next to move on to the next screen. You will see a QR code appear on your PC or laptop screen. On your mobile device, you will also see a notification appear giving you the option to scan QR code. Tap Scan QR code on your mobile device. Using your mobile device, scan the QR displayed on your PC or laptop screen. Once scanned, you will see your Anglia Ruskin University account has now been linked to your Authenticator app on your mobile device, ready for you to receive and approve login notifications. On your PC or laptop screen, you'll be taken to the next screen. The Authenticator app will now perform a test to check that everything is working as expected. You will receive a notification on your mobile device which you will need to approve. Tap Approve. On your PC or laptop screen, you will see that the notification was successfully approved. We would also encourage you to set up a telephone number just in case your app is ever unavailable. This option may also be useful for those who do not own a smart device. Whilst still on the notification approved screen, click I want to set up a different method. Select Phone from the drop-down list and click Confirm. From the drop-down, select your country code and then enter your mobile phone number. Remember, this needs to be a number you will have access to. Select either Text me a code to receive a text code to your mobile device or Call me, which will ring your phone. On this example, I have chosen Text Code. Once complete, click Next. On your mobile device, locate the code which has been sent to you and enter the code into the box on your PC or laptop screen. Click Next. You will see you have registered your phone number. Click Next. You have now successfully registered for multi-factor authentication. Click Done to continue to sign in to register for your course. Check out our next video on how to complete your registration task. Thanks for watching.